Hi, I'm a volunteer from TechServeTO, and today this video is going to be about how to sign up on Amintro and just a little bit more information about the website. So first we're going to open up any web browser that you use. So for instance, I'm using Microsoft Edge, but if you use a different web browser like Chrome or Firefox, just open up that. And what we're going to do is just type in Amintro and just hit enter up in the search bar there. So it's going to search the web for Amintro. And we see the first one here is the Amintro Social Platform and Information Hub for those 50 plus. So we're going to click on that one. That's going to bring us to the Amintro website. So when we get here, we see a few things at the top here. We see why join Amintro, Amintro in the news, get social magazine, and log in. And we also see this big join now, it's free button. So if we scroll down, we can see kind of Amintro's mission. So their statement is, make friends and live life. So start meeting new people today in 3 simple steps. So 1, tell us about you. 2, explore the community. 3, connect and get social. And then it explains the steps below. But if you want some more information, you can click on why join Amintro up at the top here. So if we give that a click, it's going to bring up some more information about Amintro. So again, make friends, live life. It's going to give us the same, tell us about you, explore the community, and connect and get social. So this is your life, make the most of it. And there's some frequently asked questions at the bottom if you want to go through and look at those. So is Amintro a dating site? No. Who can join Amintro and how? Why should you join? There's some security and features. Is it safe to use? Why do you ask for my email address? So there's just a lot of information you can go through and look there to see more information about Amintro. Then if you want to go back to that home screen that I got to just by searching up Amintro, you can just click the big Amintro logo here and it'll bring you back to the home page. So if you've looked into Amintro and you decided you want to join, you can either click join now, it's free, or log in. So I'm going to click log in just because that's what you'll be clicking on to log in after you make your account. So I would just click log in, and this login button here, that'll show you or that'll lead you to the login page once you have an account. But if you don't have an account yet, so you can create an account. So click this create account button, and then it's just going to ask for your information. So first name, I'm just going to use Jane Doe as the name. So Jane, last name Doe, put in your email address. And then a password is the last thing you need. So it must be 6 characters, both upper and lowercase letters, and at least 1 number. And try to make it a password that you don't use for other websites. That's just in general a good internet privacy tip. So I'm going to put that password in and click sign up. So almost done. Confirmation email has been sent to my email. So I'm going to open up my email now and make sure that I've gotten the email. So I'm using Thunderbird, but you can open up your Gmail or Outlook or anything like that, whatever email provider you use. And there's my email there. Welcome to Amintro. So there's some things here. Thank you for saying yes to join our community. Confirm my account. So I'm going to click confirm my account. And it's going to bring me back to the login screen. So now you're ready to log in. So my email was already there, but you can just type in your email again and then the password you chose. So log in and welcome to Amintro. So let's begin. So now I'm here. So which gender identity do you associate with? You can go with all of this stuff. So prefer not to say if you want. Then when were you born? So you pick which year. And then I'm just going to pick a random one. Which country were you born in? So I'm just going to say Canada. You type it in there. You select the option. Next. What province were you born in? Ontario. You just go through, answer all these questions. What city, town were you born in? I'm just going to say Toronto. What language do you speak? So now you can add in all the languages you speak. So I'm going to say English. And next. What other languages do you speak? So I'm going to say I also speak Italian. Maybe I also speak French. So we're going to add those in. Where do you live? We live in Canada. Or the United States if you live in the United States. The postal code to confirm what city and town you live in. So I'm just going to do M1, M1, M1. You can look up, says that's in Scarborough, sure. But you're going to put your postal code in. Then there's some more questions. So what is or what is your line of work? So I'll just say teacher. And you can add as many as you like. Which statement best describes your activity level? So I'll say maybe I exercise regularly. It's movie night. So it's just a bunch of different kind of characteristics of you that you want to put in here. And then Amintro will kind of set you up with other people that have common interest to you. And then they'll give you a possible friend suggestion. So I'll just pick, I like all movies. What do you enjoy doing in your spare time? Let's just say reading. And you can add as many of these as you like. And then just some more questions. So if you could go any country in the world, I'll just say Italy. What's in your bucket list? Skydiving. We'll just add, some characteristics about yourself, and then that way you'll get good suggestions for people to connect with. And then some of these you could skip through, but I do recommend putting more in, just because you might get people who have interests that align with yours. And then congratulations, you can begin contacting Amintro members. So now here's my profile here with everything that I've put in so far. Now if I want to change any of my interview answers, I could click review my interview answers, and then it'll let me change any of the ones that I've decided to change. If not, we could just go back to click my name up here in my profile, and it'll bring me back to my profile. So while I'm here, if I click suggestions at the top left, it'll bring me to any friend suggestions that Amintro has given to me. So they'll show up here, or if you have friends on the waiting list, which means you haven't confirmed that you want to connect with them yet, it might also be on the C waiting list here. You can also search Amintro from here. So if you click on that, it'll say, let us know what you're looking for. And you can put in interests, gender, country of birth, or an item in the bucket list. So say you want somebody to run with, you put running, and then road running. So that's an interest we want. Say you want male, you could put male, and then a country of birth and an item in the bucket list. And you could search that, and Amintro will try to give you suggestions of some people that could connect with you with those interests. You can also go to friends at the top here, and then if you have people that you've already connected with, you can type their name in there and the conversations will come up there. Beside that is articles. So there's just some articles here with some information that you might want to read. There's quite a few here, so if you just scroll down, you might find one you're interested in. And then if we go to the top right side, we have the little letter icon, so we click on that. That'll bring you up to your recent conversations with friends. I just don't have any because this is a new account. And if you click on your name, like I said before, it'll bring you to your profile, review your answers, and you can log out. If you want to just go back to your profile, you can do that, and then we're back where we started. If you want to get back to the suggestions page also, you can always click the Amintro logo, and it'll bring you back to the suggestions page as well. And those are the basics on how to use Amintro. Thank you.